Right, so as Simon steps in with a jab cross, I'm going to just parry the first punch. From the first bit, I'm going to step across and get my head off the centre line. If he goes 1, 2, I could kick. From there, I could go knee. Hi, my name's Damien Trainor. I'm the Chief Instructor here at K-Star Legacy, and with me I've got Simon Whitehead, who's the Chief Instructor at K-Star Combat Academy. Right, in this video I'm just going to quickly go over 5 ways to nullify the aggressive puncher using my kicks. Right, the first one is going to be extremely simple. Not all the time, but a lot of the time people come in with their hands, they're probably going to come with like a 1, 2, and obviously they're going to be stepping in. Right, so as Simon steps in with a jab cross, I'm going to just parry the first punch. Almost exactly the same time as he comes in a 1, 2, you're going to fire that teep at the same time. So you're going to come into aim for my face, and it's going to stop him with that lead teep. And again, so he's coming in, up, lead teep. Right now, in Muay Thai, obviously the main target is kind of like the stomach. You are allowed to kind of kick the intestinal area as well. So you can go quite low, almost on like the belt of like the shorts, and obviously hit it in. Doing it there kind of bends the opponent forward, so it makes it a little bit harder for him to kind of come in and try to follow up any of those shots. Okay, and again, so he comes in 1, 2, so you parry, teep, and then back to position. Okay, let's show it from the opposite angle. Okay, and again, so he's moving in, 1, 2, parry, he's going to go teep, and then come back, and again, he's coming in, parry, teep, and then come back in, right? Just one quick thing when you're doing the teep or the push kick. For when you do the movement, your lower half of your body goes forwards, your upper half stays where it is. So as you're doing the kick, you don't want to pull your head back, because if he's pressing forwards, I'm probably going to lose position. My lower half goes forwards, my head stays there, so I'm staying like sturdy as I'm kicking. So he comes in 1, 2, parry, you're going to go teep, and then back into your stance. Okay, with this one now, kind of similar, where the opponent's going to press in with a jab cross. So again, he's stepping forward, being quite aggressive with those hands. Again, I'm going to parry the first punch. As I parry, I'm just going to fire that left body kick straight off. Right now, I'm not even going to wait for this hand. I'm just going to fire the kick. And if you look, as he goes 1, 2, so my arm and my shoulder is what's protecting my chin. And as he's firing that right hand off, he's leaving his ribs exposed, so I can land that kick flush. Right, with your switch, it's going to be a small movement, okay? So if he's going 1, 2, don't go too big, so I'm probably going to get caught with that cross. As he comes in, it's very short, and I use that bounce off the ground to help generate the power, okay? You need to make sure you're on the ball of your feet. You're not kind of going like flat-footed, ball of your foot, and you spring up. So he goes 1, 2, so parry, left body kick, and then come back, and again, parry, left body kick, then back into position. Okay, I'll just show it from the opposite angle. Okay, and again, so he goes 1, 2, parry, left kick, and come back, and again, parry, left kick, and then last one, coming in, parry, left kick, and then come back. Right now, using like a similar counter, what you can do is, again, when he goes 1, 2, obviously my head's on the centre line here, so what I'm going to do, from the first bit, I'm going to step across and get my head off the centre line. As he goes 1, 2, I'm going to kick that inside leg, right? So as he fires that right hand, all his weight's there. I've stepped out, so the punch is going to miss. I want to take that leg away from him. So again, so he goes 1, 2, so parry, kick that inside leg. And then again, parry, kick that inside leg. Okay, so in the opposite way. And again, so he goes 1, 2, parry, kick that leg. Remember that stepping across is important. And again, take that leg, and then what you can do, if you want, you can follow it up, where if he goes 1, 2, I could kick. From there, I could go knee, or again, goes 1, 2, I can kick again, or again, so I can parry, I can kick, yeah, and obviously land some shots from there. Okay, I'll just show you them from the opposite angle as well. So the first one, he goes 1, 2, so I can take the leg, knee, comes in, take the leg, and then kick, and the other one, I can take the leg, up and go hook, kick, and then back into position. Okay, this one now really kind of depends on your flexibility. Right now, in Muay Thai, head movement is okay, but it's got to be minimal. So obviously you can't do kind of like excessive movement where you're moving about, because obviously you might get caught and knocked out, right? So the first bit we're going to do is, again, my partner's going to go 1, 2, so I'll parry and I'm going to slip the second punch. When I'm slipping, so my shoulder goes forwards, I want to keep looking at my target, don't kind of turn your head away, you're not seeing what's going on. So again, so it goes 1, 2, parry, I'll slip. Right now, from there, not all the time, a lot of people, when they go 1, 2, they're going to try and follow it up maybe with like a third punch. So when they go 1, 2, is that hand kind of drops down, so going from there, and that hand's kind of dropping. So as he goes 1, 2 now, so I'm going to go slip, you're going to kick up to the head. And again, so he goes 1, 2, slip, kick, and then come back. So I'm kind of using my head at the same time. I'm getting that to go off. But this is where they're trying to be aggressive. They're pressing in on me. If you've got someone who's just kind of like staying back, flicking shots out, it's probably going to be a little bit harder. Okay, and again, so he goes 1, 2, so parry, kick up to the head. And again, parry, kick up to the head. Okay, to show from the opposite angle. And again, so the first bit goes 1, 2, so parry, I'm going to slip, just so you kind of get used to the movement. And from there, I'll parry, slip, kick up to the head. And again, so you parry, slip, kick up to the head, and then back into your stance. While it's with this one, still kind of going with like the head movement bit. Again, not all the time, but a common combination is like a jab, cross, left hook. Right, so what's going to happen from here, so I'm going to fire the jab, I'm going to slip. Right now, as that right hand comes at me, I'm going to step back, so I'm getting out of range. Right now, he might lunge in now with a big left hook to try and catch me. Right, so with my footwork from there, so I'll go slip, step, and then I'm going to fire that kick off when that hook comes. Right now, if you look at my footwork, so I slip, this leg's going to step back as the right hand comes in, so I'm stepping back, right? Then from here, I want to kind of take like a little spring, and you've got like this bounce. Okay, and as you bounce, that's when you fire that kick through. Okay, again, watch my footwork. So I'll go slip, step, you see I'll bounce it off straight away. I'm not going to go step, kick, because you might travel the distance too much. From that step back from there, you want to bounce in with a kick. Okay, and again, so it goes jab, cross, hook. So you go slip, step back, fire the kick, then back into your stance. And then again, so go slip, step back, fire the kick, back into your stance. Okay, I'll show you from the opposite angle. Okay, and again, so you go slip, step back, fire the kick off. And then again, so you go slip, step back, fire the kick off, then back into position. Right, in this next one, we're going to kind of work on getting off the centre line. So again, my partner's going to come in with like a big 1, 2. Right, so as they're coming in, again, I'm going to parry the first one, but I'm going to step off to the side. Right, and if you look, when I'm stepping, my hips stay in line with the target. Okay, I'm not just stepping to the side that way, and I'm not pivoting right round. Okay, so it comes in 1, 2, so I step, hips are facing the target. Right now, at the same time as it's coming in, so I step, I want to take that leg, right, so it makes it hard for him to follow that shot up, or make it hard for him to try and turn around to chase after me. So my footwork from there is a kind of step, you see my hips still face the target. As this leg kind of follows round, you're going to kick the leg, so you're going to take that support leg. Right now, at the moment, I'm going to the back of the knee. But again, so he comes in, so you parry, kick the leg, and come back to your stance. What you can do, you can go to the calf as well. So again, so you're coming in, I can take the calf at the same time. So I'm going to knock him off position, and obviously it's going to hurt a lot more. Right, I'll just show from the opposite angle. So again, the first bit, as he goes 1, 2, so I'll parry, my hips want to be facing the target. Okay, next one from there, it comes in, so you parry, you're going to kick that leg. And again, one more, coming in, parry, you're going to kick that leg. And then again, if you want, we can practice going for the calf. So coming in, step, so I can kick the calf. Okay, and again, going through parry, kick the calf. Right now, we're going to practice following it up, we're just using legs still. So an easy one is he comes in, so I can parry, I can kick the leg, kick the body with the same leg. And again, so he comes through, we step, kick the leg, kick the body. Because of how he's positioned, it's going to be hard for him to defend it. Right, same, what we're going to do as he comes in, so parry, I want to kick the leg, then kick the body with the opposite leg. Okay, and again, it's coming through, step, kick the leg, kick the body, then back to your stance. Just show it from this angle, just quickly. So again, so he comes in, so parry, kick, kick, and then again, stepping around, kick, kick. And the last one, parry, kick, kick. And again, this time, coming around, kick, kick, and then come back to your stance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to find out anything more about myself and my gym, you can check out the gym's website, which is www.k-starlegacy.co.uk, or obviously check out my Instagram, which is @trainer103, and obviously from there you can find my gym's Instagram at the same time. If you want to learn more from me, no matter where you are in the world, you can check out my full tutorials, which are live on the Warrior Collective's marketplace.